Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. I am Sachin Sironi. So today I want to discuss Databricks Certified Machine Learning Professional certification related some more information I want to share with you. So I have successfully passed and cleared this exam. On behalf of this certification, I just want to share my knowledge. So in this video, firstly I want to discuss the syllabus which you have to cover and the area of the questions are most chances to come into the exam and the questions. So those basically are already working into the Databricks and also completed the associate level certification in Databricks Certified and Machine Learning Associate, and also planning to give the professional level certificate, so can give. And the main thing, the machine learning knowledge should be clear and Python and Databricks knowledge should be clear before giving this exam. So if you want to enhance your skills and upgrade yourself and to get a good hike in your existing company, so definitely this certificate will be very useful. So firstly I want to discuss the syllabus which you have to cover. These exam cover first one, model development. Model development, like the 44% area of the questions, MLOps 44%, and model deployment 12%. These the three unit you have to cover. If I'm talking about to the associate level, ML associate level certification, so there are some machine learning concept, but now we are totally focusing the model development, ML ops, or model deployment. Now, so assessment detail like Proctor certification 59 question 120 minutes and the registration is 200 and multiple choice. So again the scenario is similar as compared to some other exam for Databricks, but some question can be vary. Now I want to focus the questions like a data science team want every ML experiment to automatically log parameter, matrix, model and artifact without adding explicit logging code. That means which ML flow feature should they use? So here the correct answer is C, ML flow auto logging. That means we are talking about to the without explicit. We are talking about to the automatic. So I already described if you have a Databricks knowledge like Unity catalog and all the jobs pipelining, not to the deep, at least some basic knowledge, some pipelining, PySpark, at least one programming language you should be capable. And the machine learning knowledge should be clear and Python library should be clear. Then you can give the exam. And now I'm focusing to the deployment and MLOps and development. So model registry stages. Okay. Now I just want to, if I just want to deploy a model, so I'm talking about here, which of the following option correctly list the complete set of built-in immutable model version, that means we cannot change, version stages available within the ML flow model registry UI and API. So here the correct scenario like none, staging, production and archive. Okay. So here I just want to explain like ML flow model registry define exactly 4 built-in stages. Right. Okay. ML flow. So none, that is default, upon registration, staging, production and add archive, custom lifecycle stage outside this must be managed by tag. So normal, that is dev and staging and managed via something. Normal, if we are talking about the dev, stage and prod, but if I'm talking about the model registry stage, it is little bit quite different. Now, which practice best improve reproducibility of machine learning experiment in Databricks? So here the correct answer is log, dataset, parameter, matrix, model artifacts and code version using ML flow. So ML flow experiment tracking ensure experiments can be reproduced, compared and audited by recording all relevant data. Now, Which Unity Catalog feature is especially valuable for ML governance? That is data lineage and fine-grained access. Okay, data lineage and fine-grained access control, that is basically related to the ML hence. And we are already familiar Unity Catalog that provide a centralized governance. And lot of things are available like auto loader and vacuums and pipelining and some ETL process. Data ingestion, DLT, data lake, provide some assets. So should have the basic concept should be. Maximizing query performance in streaming inference. A company has deployed, if I'm talking about the company, so a company has deployed a structured streaming pipeline that read incoming data from IoT device, load an ML model as Spark UDF, and write the prediction continuously into downstream Delta Lake table. And we are familiar what is Delta Lake table and Spark UDF. Downstream business user complain that query the prediction table for a specific timestamp is. So here the correct answer is implementing Z order indexing related. We just want to improve by clustering on timestamp column of the target delta table. And we are also familiar regarding to this indexing. So Z order is a data clustering technique applied to delta table that recognize data layout on storage by structuring file around a frequently querying column like timestamp. And also familiar with the clusters like serverless and some. Monitoring data quality like concept drift and feature drift. That is also the important topic. A production recommendation model is experiencing a drop in accuracy. Data profiling indicates that the mathematical relationship between the user, feature and target click-through rate, CTR, related to the SEO, click-through rate has fundamentally changed because of sudden market shift. Even through the statistical distribution of the input features themselves have remained completely stable. So here the answer is concept. Something is completely different. So these questions are related to the statistical like mean, mode, median, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis. So now I am talking about to the drift. So occur when statistical properties of the target variable change over time relative to the feature. The mapping, if the feature distribution, that will be the feature drift. Next, a Spark ML pipeline. If I'm talking about to the Spark ML pipeline contain a hierarchy like string indexer, one hot encoder, vector assembler, EBT classifier. So we just want to talk about the which stages are considered transformers after fitting. So here the correct like string index model, one hot, vector and GBT, that is a correct answer. Estimator because fitted model transformer after training vector assembly is already in a transform. Next, a delta table used for model training is updated daily. The data science team want every experiment to be reproducible month later. Which feature should they use? That is delta time travel, like update daily. Delta time travel. Delta time travel allow model to be retrained using the exact historical version of the training. We just want to retrain again and again. So that is a delta time travel. That is the correct answer. Next, during distributed training on Spark, one executor repeatedly run out of memory because several partitions are significantly larger than other. What is the best solution? So repartition of the data set to balance partition size. Repartition into the balance partition. Why? Uneven partition create data skew. Repartitioning distributed data more evenly across executors. Model registry. If you have any questions, so you can comment me, you can chat. I reply your question answer, and you can share this video with your friend. So those basically are planning to give this exam, and obviously those are giving planning to give this professional exam obviously on a high level stage, and basic knowledge already I think will be clear. You just want to enhance your up skills and to test like what syllabus we have covered, anything we have missed or not. So which of the following ML flow model registry use cases natively require configuring an HTTP webhook over a Databricks job webhook? So here the correct answer, sending a real-time notification alert directly to an external company Slack or Microsoft Team, etc. These are the communication channel. When a model transition to production, so it will automatically send a the webhook. Again, the very important question. So HTTP webhook send a post request to an external URL endpoint like Slack, webhook, or any external CI/CD server. Databricks job webhook conventionally are specifically trigger internal Databricks job. So here not deeply focused to the job pipelining, data ingestion, some governance, to basic knowledge for Databricks and advanced knowledge of the ML deployment, ML flow, MLOps, and development. So now I just want to end my video. So like and subscribe for new upcoming video related to the Databricks. So thank you very much.